Ladies and gentlemen, boarding is almost complete as we prepare for non-time. In front of you, while larger items can be stowed in your hand bins. Once in row 1, small electronics may be held or placed in your pocket or the seat back pocket in front of you. Remember, cellular services must be turned off.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping all I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car. Come through, come through. Come through, come through, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so get your ass in the car. Come through. Yeah. Last night I...
Hey y'all, so this is what it's giving. This bathing suit I got a long time ago. It's from Pretty Little Thing. I got it back in 2022 and we are in 2026 and it's still going strong. I'm at this point embracing my eczema marks because there's nothing I can really do about them at the moment, but they are clearing up. It's like a little lighter. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but girl, yes, this is what I'm giving for the pool. Real cute, real tea. Wave mom. Hopefully you guys can hear. We're in the Uber now on our way to Kiki's Cafe. You excited to try the food?
Yeah, some pancakes.
I'm looking forward to it. Yummy.
Yeah.
Hi.
I'm oily too, right, Mom?
You dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdom to falling, angels be calling.
We're at Disney Springs. Casey, say hi.
None of that could ever make me believe. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feel like I get you.
So in this video I'll be doing a little Mother's Day weekend vlog. I hope you guys can hear me, but yeah, I'm about to give you guys a little tour. I took a tour of the room already, the beginning of the trip, and now I'm going to show you guys like around the hotel and show you guys the amenities, the different stuff that's here. So on property. I truly give this hotel a 10 out of 10, to be honest with you guys. Come. So, there goes Kason, y'all. He wants to be a part of the tour.
Me.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right. They have a little gift shop here.
I almost missed my blue.
This is a little overview of how it's looking. This is like the hotel lobby. They have a rum bar over there. Down there they have a pool table. And over there is called Stadium Club. So they have like a sports bar type of vibe in there. I'm gonna go down and show you guys what it's given, but Kason, I'm going down the steps so you guys can see what everything else is given. It has like bathrooms all over the property. Has this market, so it's open from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. Home market with goodies in here. Are y'all seeing this? The desserts are so good, actually. Hope you guys can hear me. I had the oatmeal cream pie, and I'm bringing home some for my brother to try, and these pound cakes as well. 10 out of 10. Yeah, the market has like snacks and stuff for you. Anything you may need. Probably may even have medicines. I don't know. I didn't look too in depth, but right now you have the breakfast place. We didn't eat breakfast there. In this vlog, you're gonna see we went to Kiki's Cafe for breakfast. It's a place out here in Florida. I don't know if it's only Orlando, but 10 out of 10, amazing. Then they have this restaurant called the Venetian Chop House. This is what it's given. We did not try the food there, although I would have loved to try it. We didn't. They have like so much photo op opportunities here. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. Like, this is one of the most nicest resorts I stayed at. My favorite resort ever is Royalton in Ocho Rios or Royalton Blue Waters. I don't know if it's Ocho Rios or what, but in Jamaica, 10 out of 10. This is literally a 10 out of 10 as well for me. I would say like a 9.5 out of 10. But yes, let me show y'all. They have this pool table right here. They have a sports bar in here. I'm just getting content. Okay. Calm vibes. Pool table right here. You want some entertainment. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys outside now where all the fun happens. It's so hot outside. I hope my camera doesn't fog up. It's so humid, so sticky, so hot. I would love to stay in the AC, but I want you guys to see the outside area so you guys see what you're signing up for. It's very beautiful. The reason I said 9.5 out of 10 instead of 10 out of 10, because in the beginning I did say 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 because the room is beautiful, but points off because I feel like the outside area could have been a little bit bigger, like with the pool wise. Other than that, this place is amazing. Flip the camera so you guys see. Do you see this beauty?
Arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guy I sacrificed for you. You could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see,
pool slide. It's really cool. kid. I don't want to be weird of going in there without my kid, but they have a little park area for the kids to play in. Very nice. This is Tower 1. That right there is Tower 2, and the other building we passed already is Tower 3. We stayed in Tower 3. Amazing. And right over there, I don't know, it's a little hot tub vibe right here. It's a cool vibe at night, I guess. Chill with friends. And I didn't go in the arcade. I don't got. Yeah.
Gone swimming. Gone swimming.
No.
What did you do?